Yo, crypto fam, we need to talk, and we need to talk right now. If you're holding Memefi and planning to catch this snapshot in the next couple hours, this might be the most important video you'll watch today. We've been building up to this moment for months, and I'm not about to let you miss out because of a technical hiccup. Let me paint you a picture real quick. You're sitting there, checking your Memefi dashboard. Everything looks good until, wait, why can't I click this open wallet button? If you're nodding your head right now, you're exactly where you need to be. I've been getting bombarded with messages about this issue, and I've got the fix that's going to save you a massive headache. Before we dive in though, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we're always dropping knowledge bombs like this. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now here's the deal. Even if you've already connected your OKS wallet, we've got a little quirk to work out. It's like when your phone's acting up and needs a quick restart. Sometimes you just need to refresh that connection to get everything running smooth. Don't worry though, I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and we'll have you sorted in literally minutes. First things first, for my Nigerian fam, you're going to want to fire up your VPN. I rock with Windscribe, but honestly, any solid VPN will do the job. If you're anywhere else in the world, you might be able to skip the VPN. But hey, better safe than sorry, right? Once you're on Memefi, head over to the wallet section. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of banging your head against that unclickable open wallet button, we're going to take a different approach. Look for the change wallet option. This is our secret weapon right here. When you click it, you'll see something called Rebind Wallet. This right here, this is the game changer. It's like giving your wallet a fresh handshake with Memefi, making sure everything's properly connected for the snapshot. Now here's where I'm going to drop some real knowledge on you. When you hit that Rebind option, you'll see two choices, connecting through either the OKS app or the OKS mini wallet on Telegram. Here's the thing most people don't realize. If you've set everything up right, these are basically the same thing. If you've imported your seed phrase between them, you're golden either way. Let me tell you why this matters. When that snapshot hits in a couple of hours, you want to make sure your wallet is recognized clean as a whistle. You wouldn't show up to the club without making sure you're on the list, right? Same principle here. We're making sure you're good to go when it matters. So here's what you're going to do. Pick your connection method. I personally ride with the OKS app, but you do you. When that network prompt pops up, make sure you're on the SU network, hit connect, and watch the magic happen. You might see a transaction confirmation pop up, but here's a little secret. You can actually skip that one. It's not crucial for what we're doing here. And just like that, boom, your open wallet button should be lit up and ready to roll. That's all there is to it. Simple, right? But listen, this isn't just about fixing a button. This is about making sure you're positioned perfectly for what's coming. We've been in the Memefi game for months now, and this snapshot, this is what we've been building up to. You've put in the time, you've done your research. Now let's make sure you're ready to catch whatever comes next. I've been in crypto long enough to know that sometimes it's the small technical details that can make or break an opportunity. That's exactly why I'm dropping this video right now. Because I want every single one of you to be ready when this snapshot hits. Think about it this way. In a few hours, some people are going to be scrambling, trying to figure out why their wallet isn't working right. But not you. You're going to be sitting back, wallet connected properly, ready for whatever Memefi's got planned for us. Before I let you go, remember this. In crypto, being prepared is half the battle. The other half, that's just pure diamond hands, baby. Let's get this bread, fam. I'm hyped to see what kind of allocations we're all going to get from this. Drop a comment below when you've got your wallet sorted, and let's ride this wave together. Keep crushing it, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members. Muhammad Albada Moyikaura, Enoxon, 001, Namaranavitube, Okemdi Chiemameze, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edit, Enger Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sasan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Ekene Akuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwale Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Equime Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithymia, Doto Nayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifadigbo Chukwibuka Nduka, Obi Anuju Purity, Lorena Canareccio, Muhammad Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihemadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleve Ethson Wealth, Ruth Econom, Rita Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Maller, Sir Wills, Ms. Baudine Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiadozi Mesirionia, Isa Tahir, Saware Ionel, Petri Paikanen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad Jallo, Prince Orji Sia Kori, Samsonite Amos, Ikechukwu Jonas Okafor, Omale Ojonugwa, Johnson Jida, Raji Abdul, Arabi Hamza Yakubu, Paragon, Keston Balogan, Akwanuke Chris, Omosefe Enogeru, Ifi Christine Achi, Uduak Etuk, Rubani Nakushbandi, Adnork Global Inn, Dorothy Mulenga, Shima Kumba, Julian Shupman, Legend of God, Concern Pharmacy, Emeti Chinedu, Priska, Abeldaria, Usman Safianu, SMB Designs, Emmanuel Josiah, Endurance, Mohammed Zulkanin. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Peace out, crypto fam.